Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to kick off our month-long series on Python programming. We're going to look at a number of elementary concepts to get you started, even if you've never written any code before, for each day of the month. We'll locate different topics and slowly build on the topics so that you can have a solid understanding of the capabilities of Python. Python is an extremely flexible language and is the most popular programming language in the world right now. So let's go ahead and get started with our introduction, and I hope you join me for all the lessons of this series. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start by introducing you to Python programming, covering the basics such as data types, flow control, and more. Then we'll explore many of the applications of Python, including web development, data science, and automation. Finally, we'll showcase some of the examples of Python programming and show you how it can be used in real-world scenarios. Python is a high-level programming language that's easy to learn and use. We'll explore the basics of Python programming, including data types, variables, and flow control statements such as conditionals and loops. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language that emphasizes code readability and simplicity. It's widely used in web development, data science, and machine learning, automation, scripting, and more. In Python, variables are used to store data values. We'll explore the different data types available in Python, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Flow control statements are used to control the order and the flow of a program. We'll explore conditional statements such as if, else, and loops, as well as for and while loops. Python is a versatile programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. We'll explore some of the most popular applications of Python, including web development, data science, and machine learning, and automation and scripting. Python is widely used in web development with popular frameworks such as Flask and Django. We'll explore how Python is used to build web applications and web APIs. Python is a popular language for data science and machine learning with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. We'll explore how Python is used to analyze and visualize data and build machine learning models. Python is a powerful language for automation and scripting with libraries such as Selenium and Beautify Soup. We'll explore how Python is used to automate repetitive tasks and scrape data from the web. Python is a versatile language that can be used in many different scenarios. We'll showcase some examples of Python programming, including web scraping, data analysis and visualization, and game development. Web scraping is the process of extracting data from websites. We'll explore how Python is used to scrape data from websites using libraries such as Beautiful Soup. Python is a powerful programming language for data analysis and visualization with libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. We'll explore how Python is used to analyze and visualize data and build interactive visualizations. Python is a popular language for game development with libraries such as Pygame. We'll explore how Python is used to build 2D and 3D games and showcase some examples of Python games. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether you're building web applications, analyzing data, or automating tasks, Python can help you do it effectively and efficiently. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and are excited to learn more about Python programming. Well, that's it for our introduction. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next series of videos soon. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.